Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears. Do you want to learn how to draw this beautiful scenery? Watch the video till the end, I will show you. We need purple color, green color, brown color, blue color, red color, pink color, yellow color, orange color. Let's start. First I'm drawing a house. Please subscribe. Now I am drawing a river. It's a huge tree. Now I am drawing mountains. It's a sun. Pink color for the roof. Orange color. Yellow color. Red color.
Woo!
Green color for the tree. Brown color. Yellow color. Purple color. Blue color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick.
Light green color.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh fiddle 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick.
See you on next video.